Hey, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video, I'm going to share with you over $1,200 in giveaways that Dayspring sent us. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I just unpacked 3 boxes of amazing prizes that Dayspring sent us for our free online Bible journaling conference titled The Fruit of the Spirit Bible Journaling Conference. For those of you guys who don't know, we have hosted an annual Bible journaling conference for the last 3 years. And this is our 4th year, and Dayspring has been a partner every single year. This year, they sent me 3 boxes. I have unpacked them and started to bundle items together. So I'm going to share with you the bundling choices that I put together so that we could give away multiple prizes from Dayspring this year, as we normally do. But this year, we're bundling. So if you don't know much about our conference, it is an online Bible journaling conference. It runs October 12th through the 14th, 2022. There are 19 speakers this year. The conference is absolutely free. You get a chance to listen to the sessions within 24 hours of each session's begin time, and it's absolutely free. We have a ton of printables, a ton of, giveaways, and it's just such a fun time. So I hope you will join us for our 4th Bible journaling conference. I'm super excited. I left in the description for you the link for you to join the Bible journaling conference for free. And when you join the Bible journaling conference, it is your entry to win these prizes. So let's see what Dayspring sent us and how I bundled them all together. Okay, so first, I do want to say thank you to Dayspring for continuing to support our conference. It is so amazing, and you guys are always so generous. So the first one I have is this book bundle. This book bundle is retailing at over $32, and we will be giving away 10 of these bundles. So it includes the sticker Bible storybook, which is super cute, guys. Super adorable. So the way this works is you read what's on here, basically the verse, and then you go to the sticker section that's in this book back here, and then you can place the stickers, or have your child or your youngin place the stickers where the shadows are, and then they can build out their own little illustration. It's super cute. And there's quite a few of these pages of many popular Bible stories. So it's a really great opportunity for kids to learn a little bit more and engage with the story by using those stickers. So you get quite a few stickers, and then also you get extra stickers as well. So how fun is this? So cute. These are the cutest stickers. So this book retails for $9.99. You can buy that on Dayspring if you want to, or hopefully you will win it at our conference. And then we have The Graceful Letting Go of Your Try-Hard Life by Emily P. Freeman, the author of Grace for the Good Girl. And this retails for $12.99. It's a cute book, and it has a lot of good information. Then we have The God Cares for You, and You're in His Hands, and You're Safely in His Hands. And this is like a little devotional book. This retails for $9.99. And it's really cute because it has like a lot of good encouragement for when you go through tough times in life. And so, for example, this one says, God knows you feel like you're all alone, and He cares. And so there's a verse, and there's a little bit of like devotion, and then there's a prayer here. And then the next one, God knows when you need help, and He cares. And then again, with the same format, you have your verse, your devotion, and then your prayer. So that's kind of how this one goes. It's got a cute little teal bookmark to it as well. And that is going to be one of our book bundles, and will be given away 10 of these retailing at $32 plus over $32. So that'll be 10 of those given away. And then we have 4 of these book bundles. These book bundles include the Graceful book that I just shared with you, the God Cares for You book, plus the Biscuits, Butter, and Blessings Farm Fresh Devotions of Hope and Comfort. This one's actually really cute. So it has a topic, then it has a verse, and then it has your devotion, and then it has a faith check, and then it has like a quote or scripture or something like that on the other side. So it's super cute. There's apparently some recipes in here. How fun is that? But I just love the imagery in here. I just think it's so pretty, and I love how the edges are kind of inked. They look kind of vintage. I just thought this was a really cool book. And then it has more recipes. If I were any peachier, I'd be a cobbler. That's so funny. So I don't know. It just is a really cool book. And then you get the little matching green bookmark, which is awesome. This one's funny. Be true to your teeth or they will be false to you. That's funny. My grandma had false teeth. So we'll be giving away 4 of these books. And that retails, so this is, I think this one is $12.99, $12.99, and $9.99, I think. So this is a retail of $35 plus. And there'll be 4 of those given away. I'm going to try to keep my notes together so I know. Then we have a, let's see, what is this? Oh, this one is a bundle of Bible journaling supplies plus the God Cares for You book. So this one is this one comes with the carry-all case. So the carry-all case includes, it's a 5-tray carry-all case, so you can put your washi and stuff like that in there, pens and such like that. And then the expandable carry-all case. This one has 12 storage packets. They actually don't sell this anymore, so it's retired. This one you can get on their site still. It's $24.99. And of course, you can still get this book that I talked about as well for $9.99 on their site. And then you're going to get 4 of the coloring blocking Bible tabs. These retail for $8 a piece, and you get them for every book of the Bible. So if you have multiple Bibles, you have multiple tabs, or you could share it with a friend, which would be so super awesome. So that is the bundle. And we have, let's see, how many did I say we have? We have 3 of this bundle to give away. Then we have, you guys, they sent me so much stuff. So much stuff, so much fun stuff to give away. Then we have this one. This is going to be the sticker pack bundle. And in the sticker pack bundle, you will get 4 of the coloring block Bible tabs. You will get 4 of the Flaggett cardstock stickers by Illustrated Faith. And you will get the His Promise stickers as well. So a ton of stickers in the sticker pack for you to use and or share. It's always good to share, isn't it? This retails for $50 plus. For that, we'll be giving away 6 of those. And then we have, oh, obviously the Illustrating Bible. This retails for $69.99. It's absolutely gorgeous. I looked on the site today. It is out of stock today, but hopefully they'll be getting more. As of this recording, it's out of stock, but hopefully they'll get more if you would like to purchase one. But it's $69.99. Really nice thick pages. I've done plenty of review on this, so I won't do a review today. But it's got a nice 4-inch margin. Very beautiful cream color paper, nice thick pages with a spiral. Absolutely gorgeous Bible. I own every one of the Illustrating Bibles because I love them that much. They are absolutely amazing. So retailing for $69.99. We will be giving 1 away of this awesome Illustrating Bible. And then finally, we have this bundle. This is what I'm calling the Kindness Bible. Kindness bundle, and this one comes with a Cameron Burr kindness shirt. It's extra small, so if you're not extra small, hopefully you have a friend that is and you can pass it along. This says kindness, it looks good on everyone. And doesn't it certainly look good on everyone? And so for the kindness bundle, I am also going to send the winner 6 of these scripture shareable boxes. Now these boxes, again, the shirt, I don't know how much the shirt retails for. I think $36-ish, I'm not sure. But these little packets of cards retail for $7 a piece, and they're super cool. They have scripture on one side, and then on the other side, they have beautiful pattern paper. So these would be great to like put inside of a card. Maybe if you're gifting somebody something, you could put inside the card for them. You could put it in lunches and things like that. There's so many options for you. I absolutely love these scripture cards, and you will get 6 of those boxes so that you can share and be kind to someone in your life. That's the kindness bundle. I hope that you guys enjoyed this preview of all the fun gifts that Dayspring sent us. I think we're going to give away 4 of these kindness bundles. So many different bundles to give away this year. So much fun, so many different prizes. I hope that you guys will join us. Please don't forget to give us a like on the video, and don't forget to go ahead and say thank you to Dayspring in the comments below, as well as go like their social medias as well. I hope you have a wonderful day, and don't forget to register for the conference. Read the description. That's where your link is going to be so that you can join us for our free Bible journaling conference. I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.